Right. We discussed about the protozoa character. Right. First animal, unicellular organism found in ponds, lakes, rivers, fresh water as well as the salt water. ठीक है. In that case, we had discussed the diagram. Example: amoeba, paramecium, plasmodium, that is a protozoa which causes the malaria, euglena. Right. Now we will make the diagram of the मतलब the diseases you can write down in case of the protozoa. You can write down the diseases malaria as well as dysentery. ठीक है. Now we will make the diagram of the amoeba. Protozoa we are discussing. In protozoa, amoeba का diagram we will make it. Right. In case of the amoeba, it is a protozoa. It do not have any fixed shape. First of all, इसकी कोई fixed shape नहीं है. You can make like this. कोई भी आप किसी भी तरह से you can draw like this. This is the amoeba, right? It is not having any fixed shape. ठीक है जी? You can. अब if it is not having fixed shape, that means what are these called? Like this and this. And suppose some food is there, so they will make this one and they like do like this. इस तरह से cover कर लेते हैं. So they do not have any fixed shape, right? So these are called pseudopodia. Pseudopodia. Pseudo means false. हाँ जी, pseudo बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. Yes, false foot कह सकते हो. This helps in the locomotion. Locomotion means they help in the मतलब helps to move in the water. This is called false foot, right? Right, bete. Now these are having the nucleus, right? Food vacuoles are there. Food vacuoles are there. Contractile vacuoles are there. हमने contractile vacuoles in the cell chapter we discussed. Do you know? Anyone can tell me the function of this contractile vacuole? कोई बताएगा? Anyone? नहीं यार. चलो first labeling लिखो. As we are saying, this is the first animal. तो outer covering is called. Outer covering is called cell membrane. It is not cell wall because this is the animal, first animal. So in animal, cell wall is absent. So this is cell membrane, right? And then make the cytoplasm also. This is नहीं, ये pseudopodia. The walls, like suppose if like this, ये pseudopodia. ये shape. These are the shapes because these are outer covering cell membrane है, but when they are in मतलब increase या ये कह ले extend करते हैं अपनी outer boundary, that is called the pseudopodia because they are extended their body. ये अपनी cell membrane को कहीं से भी extend कर देते हैं and this is called the pseudopodia, false foot. ठीक है? Food vacuole, this is nucleus, this is contractile vacuole, here you can write cytoplasm. Contractile vacuole के नीचे function भी revise कर लो. What is the main function? This contractile vacuole is a regulatory. ठीक है. It is called regulatory organelle. Means the balance बना के रखना. Regulatory organelle, balancing. Right?
मैम जो डॉट्स है वो साइटोप्लाज्म है.
हाँ जी. The fluid that is present in the cell in organism, that is called the cytoplasm, in which all the organelles will float. And the contractile vacuole, that is the regulatory organelle, that will balance the water content also. Is it clear? If we want to make another, so you can draw like this. This is also like this. You can, but it is not having any particular shape. तो when they want to move या एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे when they have to go, they will extended their cell membrane and that time it is called the pseudopodia, false foot. Is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, डन है सबका? ऑल ऑफ यू है डन?
Please wait.
ओके ओके नो, कोई बात नहीं, डू इट. No doubt, we had discussed, yeah, I told you the 4 example, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, plasmodium, but in our NCERT book the 2 diagrams are there, one is the amoeba and second is the paramecium. So make the diagram of paramecium also. It is just like this. Like this. Is it clear?
मम्मी बड़ी फिर से मगज की बॉडी कैसे बनानी है?
Look here. यहाँ से हल्का सा ऐसे करके देन यहाँ से अंदर आ जाओ, ऊपर गए वापस आ जाओ. ओके ओके, इसको यहाँ से right. In that case of the amoeba, false foot helps in the locomotion. In case of the paramecium, these thread-like structures are present. This is called cilia. This helps in the locomotion. This is called cilia. Bracket में चाहिए लिख लो, helps in locomotion. ठीक है, it is having 2 nuclei, one is macro and micro, but we will write down only the nucleus. We will just mention it. यहाँ पे भी cilia से thread-like structures. This is nucleus. Then make food vacuole. You can make the food vacuole, contractile vacuole also. And the cytoplasm. Food vacuole, contractile vacuole, cytoplasm. Write down. Now the 5th group we will discuss, that is the virus. 5th group of microorganism is virus. All of you are familiar with the virus. All of you, है ना? What is virus? Corona, COVID, Omicron, all these, है ना? So what is actually virus? Virus है क्या? All of you are familiar with this word, that the virus that are now these days we are suffering with the virus, or even in the some cases, like agar if we will see the very simple example, so in that simple example common cold is there, influenza, flu, these are the virus, है ना? These are attacked by the virus. Like now all of you are aware that when sometime cold is मतलब you suffer with the cold, so what happen? If the doctor will give you the medicine, no doubt आप मतलब the medicine will give you relief, but 5 days is minimum, that is we will suffer with the cold, है ना? तो in the same way virus actually है क्या? नाउ दीज डेज ऑल ऑफ यू आर फेमिलियर कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आपको ये बोला जाता है कि बेटा कवर योर मतलब माउथ, लाइक wear mask, wash your hands. Why we are saying this? Virus is what? So write down, it means the poisonous liquid. Means virus means poisonous liquid. Viruses जो होते हैं ना, these are non-living. ठीक है, these are the non-living. When they are outside of the human body, then they are non-living. When they enter into the host body, they become living. That's why आप सबने सुना है कि मोस्टली हम कह रहे हैं कि इम्यूनिटी वीक हो जाती है ना, या जिसकी इम्यूनिटी वीक है उस पर अटैक होता है. What actually happen when the viruses, these are the poisonous liquid. एक और पॉइंट लिखो, smallest microorganism. Smallest microorganism that cannot be seen with the naked eyes. Seen with naked eyes. ठीक है, अगर हम इनको देख नहीं सकते तो यू नो द साइज ऑफ द माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म. वायरस वाला जो है, व्हाट इज द साइज? 6 times smaller than the bacteria. It is 6 times smaller than bacteria. Beta, mute yourself. 6 times smaller than bacteria. इतने छोटे होते हैं. They are, now the next point you can write down here, they are non-living. मतलब viruses cannot grow. You can write virus cannot grow and reproduce on their own. अपने आप ना ये ग्रो करते हैं ना रिप्रोडक्शन होती है. So viruses cannot grow on their own, reproduce on their own. So that means they are non-living. This means they are non-living, right? इसका मतलब ये non-living है. ठीक है? As they enter in host body, they become active, or yeah, as they enter into the host body, they are living, they become living. ठीक है? Living and use the energy of होस्ट बॉडी. ये होस्ट बॉडी की एनर्जी को यूज करते हैं एंड दे ग्रो. दे यूज द एनर्जी ऑफ द लिविंग सेल्स टू रिप्रोड्यूस, या होस्ट बॉडी, एनर्जी ऑफ द होस्ट बॉडी टू रिप्रोड्यूस. दे विल यूज द एनर्जी ऑफ द होस्ट बॉडी टू रिप्रोड्यूस. सो वी कैन खत्म. पॉइंट. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखिए. एक और पॉइंट ऐड कीजिए. वायरसेस आर द कनेक्टिंग लिंक बिटवीन नॉन लिविंग एंड लिविंग. राइट डाउन. वायरसेस आर कनेक्टिंग लिंक बिटवीन living and non-living. Living and non-living. Again I am telling same thing कि why living and non-living? Because when they are outside the human body या host body, they are non-living. When they enter into the host body, they become active. ठीक है? Diseases आपको पता है इनसे कौन कौन सी होती है. You can write down the diseases. Cold है, then flu है, then ये लिख लो कोविड, चिकन पॉक्स. यू कैन राइट एनी एग्जाम्पल. ठीक है, कफ, खांसी वगैरह, कोल्ड, फ्लू, चिकन पॉक्स, ऑल दीज आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द डिजीजेस कॉज्ड बाय द वायरस। ठीक है जी, ओके। नाउ द डायग्राम, टाइम है अभी, है ना, बना लेते हैं, एक बार ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं। बनाइए वायरस का डायग्राम, जिसको हम बोलेंगे बैक्टीरियोफेज वायरस। ठीक है, हेक्सागन बनाइए, लाइक दिस, मेक द हेक्सागनल शेप। यहां से एक लाइन, यहां से एक लाइन, ऐसे जस्ट ड्रॉ लाइक दिस। ठीक है, ठीक है जी। अब इसके नीचे बनाइए कॉलर। डॉटेड बना लो सो दैट डायग्राम सही बन जाए। ठीक है,
मैम मैं कितने डाउट्स बनाऊंगी?
कोई इशू नहीं। Make like this.
अभी एक्सोजोम वाली शेप हम समझ में नहीं आ रही।
कौन सी? दिस वन?
यस मैम।
कुछ भी नहीं है बेटा, ये देखो, मैंने तो सिर्फ उसके यहाँ पे 3 लाइंस यहाँ से बना दी, फिर मैंने यहाँ ट्रायंगल बनाया, फिर इन तीनों को ज्वाइन करा। आई जस्ट डू लाइक दिस एंड यहाँ पे एक वो इनके साथ ज्वाइन कर दिया बस। ठीक है, हेड, this is tail, head and tail, this is collar, write down this is collar, this is sheath, collar, sheath, base plate, this is base plate, and these are tail fibers, tail fibers. बैक्टीरियोफेज वायरस जो होता है ना, इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ द वायरस दैट मतलब यू कैन से इन्फेक्ट बैक्टीरिया, मतलब विच मीन्स लाइक द बैक्टीरिया, मतलब क्या होता है कि बैक्टीरिया को इफेक्ट करता है। यू कैन से द बैक्टीरियोफेज बैक्टीरिया ईटर, ठीक है, बिकॉज ये क्या करता है, इट डिस्ट्रॉय द होस्ट सेल को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देता है.